Okay, it is Saturday morning and I am off to go to Kroger. I need to get a few things and then I have to run to Target. And then later we're gonna go see a movie. We're gonna go see Halloween. I'm super excited. It's so nostalgia. I don't want to go see many movies, but I have to see the Halloween every time it comes out. Anyway, hope you have a really happy Saturday morning, or whenever you're watching this, I will see you in a little bit, okay? It's gonna be 80 degrees today in October. 80 degrees. What's the weather like by you? Leave me a message down there. Well, hello there. It's been a while. It's been a couple days since I've picked up the camera. Anyway, it's been a really busy morning and this is my first cup of coffee. It is 11 o'clock, but I've been up for a really long time. I've done yoga, Peloton, school. I've made smoothies for 2 of my kids, and now I am making my first cup of gingerbread coffee, and I have this cute little screensaver on my kitchen TV. And when I make their smoothies, I put these stickers on their cups, the cups with the lids, you know. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy this cup of coffee. Yes, I am going to enjoy this cup of coffee. I did a 45-minute yoga flow and it felt so good. And then I did a cycle class on my Peloton. So I'm going to thoroughly enjoy this cup of coffee, and then I'm going to hop in the shower and continue on with my day. Hope you're having a good one. Okay, so I know that you've all seen my bed a few times, but I just think it's so pretty, and I added this pink blanket on, and then of course this one I made. Don't look too closely. It's all made with love. All the stitches are made with love, but I made it. And then I'm gonna switch these over. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna switch them over. The white lights have stopped working, so I'm gonna put new white lights on there, and it'll give me the festive holiday feeling that I love so much. And I'm throwing a birthday party in a couple days, and I picked these up. I have so much stuff already. Okay, so as I was talking about this tablecloth, look it glows in the dark. I did not even notice that. Oh, that's exciting. And then I got these just because they're just so pretty. These were at Walmart. So pretty. Walmart has been really stepping up their stuff. I mean, the tablecloth you can get anywhere, but these are really cute. And the clothes, have you seen the clothes at Walmart? They are just darling. Darling, darling, darling. I'm gonna hang this up in my dining room. I'm gonna decorate the dining room, and I'm gonna decorate the entrance, and I'm gonna make it kind of Halloween-y, kind of spooky, kind of festive. I kind of like the fall cute decorations now, rather than the real scary, spooky stuff when like the kids were real little and I would put ghosts all over. And I'm kind of now transitioning, I guess, as I get older into things more like this. But I opened up one of my bins and I had all these little ghost pumpkins, and I'm like, I'm hanging these up at the party. They're gonna look so cute. Okay, I want to show you something else too. And on my dresser, I got this really big mason jar, and I filled it with my scrunchies. Look at how cute. I just thought that looked so cute on the dresser. And then some of my jewelry. Fun. And you've already seen my Bath and Body purchase. I just kept these on the dresser. I'm gonna put them in their little place. I just like them right here for now. Okay, so then we come on to this little treasure. This jewelry box. I've had this jewelry box since I was 13. and it was given to me by my father, and it is oh so special. Hee. Little door opens. So. Happy at home. I use these dryer balls in my dryer, and I needed some more, so when I bought some more, the pack came with this. Frankincense and myrrh. And I'm not quite sure how you pronounce this. Is it zoom? Is it zum? This smells so good. It is the best smelling spray I have ever sprayed. I even spray it over my bed, and it's such a small bottle, and I need to find this. So if you know where I can get a big bottle of this, let me know. I love this scent. I put frankincense in my oil diffusers also, but it doesn't smell quite like this one does. So I have some that I don't put anything on because some of us have sensitive skin, and then others I do spray a little bit of this. It is time for a second cup of coffee, which I have, and I have some water in my Be Happy cup, and Crazy Sexy Love Notes by Chris Carr. I have had these notes for years. I have all her books. Chris Carr is everything. She is so uplifting. She has such great life lessons to share, and just whenever you hear her speak, she just makes you feel better about yourself. So when you open up the box, it has 52 cards in it, and usually I close my eyes and I pick one, and I get the cow a lot. It's just funny, but the top card will say something sweet, and then you turn it around and it'll have a message for you. And there's 52 of these cards, and I've had them for so long, and I love them. They're one of my most favorite things in my room, in my office. So they're just one of my favorite things, I should say. They're just one of my favorite items in my stuff of life. Oh, okay. I wanted to take you outside and let you see it's a beautiful Georgia day. I actually had to turn the heat on yesterday because it was so cold, and now it has warmed up a lot upstairs because heat rises, so I had to turn it off because it was getting really hot. It's cool out here, but it's not cold. You can feel the crispness in the air, but the sky is so blue and so beautiful, and the trees are starting to turn. I can't wait to take a drive down our road. There's this one road that is just lined up with trees, and during fall, it's just absolutely breathtakingly beautiful. It's one of my favorite drives. You can hear the noises outside, the cars, the blowers, the birds. It's just so relaxing, and I can feel the sun, so warm. And then the sun goes down, it gets really cold because we've been having freeze warnings for the past couple nights. Yep. This week went by so quickly. I cannot believe how fast it went. So on Fridays, the trash comes. So I always try to make it a point on Thursday to clean out the refrigerator, to compost, to get rid of things that really need to be thrown out, things that need to be frozen, things that need to be used up. And I like to organize my refrigerator, my kitchen, and my freezer that way on Thursdays. And I also put together a pile of things to donate. So on Saturdays, I'll make a drop off. Not every Saturday, but when I have a good enough pile, I will go to the Goodwill and I will drop off some donations. But so Thursday is a really good day for me where I like to clean out the refrigerator, go through my pantry, check expiration dates, do things like that, get a little handle on an idea of everything I have, things I need. I'm going to be having a party next week, so I'm going to be planning that, which I'm super excited. I love to throw parties. It's family. It's not a big, it's not going to be a crazy wild Halloween party. It's a family birthday party, but it just happens to be right before Halloween. So I'm going to make it fun. And I think everybody will enjoy it. And then we start the Thanksgiving and Christmas season, which I'm totally excited about. I just wanted to share some things with you. I am making pork chops for dinner. Tomorrow will be family fun night, or if you're seeing this on a different day, it may not be, but on Fridays is family fun night. I have no idea where we're gonna go or whose choice it is. I'm very easy. I will go anywhere as long as they have a good cup of coffee. That is very important. And it's a beautiful day out. I have my mums on my stairs. They didn't have yellow. I think I told you that. They didn't have yellow, so they opened up and they're kind of a burgundy. They're real pretty. So the weekend is coming and I have a list of books I want to get. I love to read and I like to write. And oh, speaking of writing, I have a blog. Check it out. It's called My Daily Life as a Wife and Mother. The link is down there. Okay, so I want to run something past you and get your opinion. I want to get a pencil pine tree for Christmas, one of those long skinny ones, and put it in my living room. I have a nice size living room. It's not huge or anything, but the tree we have just kind of overtakes the entire room. So I was thinking of like a pencil pine, and I've seen them. I've looked them up. I didn't know what it was called. I looked up I just put a bunch of descriptions in for the tree that I wanted, and they're called pencil pines. And I want to get that tree and put it in my living room. So I was just wondering what your thoughts on it. The last couple years I had a white Christmas tree in honor of my mother. She had a white tree the last Christmas I was with her. I was 9, very long time ago, but I remembered it very, very fondly now. Back then I didn't understand why a white tree. I thought trees were supposed to be green, but I loved my white tree, but I want a green tree this year. And so I was thinking of a pencil pine. It's like a long Christmas tree. And then what else? I have my laundry going. I did a bunch of blankets and linens and dog bedding yesterday, and my kitchen towels, and so I want to finish organizing my kitchen, get my list together of everything that I need. I'm gonna do a few errands tomorrow before family fun night. I'll get that done. And then over the weekend, we'll go to Costco, we'll go to breakfast. And I really enjoyed the movie last week. We went and saw Halloween. I won't tell you anything about it, but it was pure nostalgia. I just can appreciate that Jamie Lee goes back and does those movies. I mean, that's where she started, and I just think it's awesome that she goes back and she gives her fans that. Okay, and we're back. I had to stop because the mailman went by and my dog was barking. Do your dogs bark when the mailman goes by? I don't know why. Ever since she was a baby, she barked at the mailman. It's like they're born to bark at mailmen. She's looking at me. Yes, I'm talking about you. Anyway, I will get some footage of my dinner and I will add that here so y'all can see it. And then I'm going to work on my menu plan for my menu plan Monday and some blog posts and, every day, laundry, cleaning. I vacuumed the stairs, cleaned the toilets, wash some bedding. Oh, I sweep all the time, shake up the rugs. I'm slowly getting rid of all the carpet in this house. I've gotten rid of completely all the carpet in the downstairs. There's only 3 rooms left upstairs that have carpet, and one day I would like to get all that carpet out, and I want to retile the bathroom and the master bath and the second one upstairs. Yeah, there's a lot of things I'd like to do on my list, and slowly but surely we'll get there. I am super excited to start this weekend with you, and hopefully I can get some footage. If not, I'll do my best to put some simple moments of my week, if not just my day, but I'll get something up there. I really enjoy sharing and talking, and also I like to look back, because I have videos from 10 years ago on here, and they're just so fun to watch. I can hear my children in the back when they were little, and it's just, I'm enjoying this very much, and I hope you are too. And I love watching all of your vlogs that I go and visit. You will know who you are because I leave comments to show support. And so if you're here and you're watching this and you've gotten all the way to the end, you can leave me a comment. I love them and I reply to them. I look forward to them. You don't have to. I'll keep making these videos. It's just, I love the interaction. So I am going to end this at the moment, and then I will be back to show you the dinner. Sound like a plan? Okay, bye. Bye for now. See you in a little bit. So this is the suitcase that I keep all my Bath & Body lotions and sprays and some perfumes in, and I've showed this before, but I wanted to show it to you again. I just think it's so lovely and so pretty and so feminine. My little shelf. I was looking at it and I said, I need to show this again because it's just so pretty. Little suitcase. I got this suitcase as a gift. There were gifts inside of it, and I just thought it was so precious. So now when I give a gift, I try and find beautiful boxes like this to give away, so they can also use the box. And I think I've showed you, this is one of my absolute favorite perfumes, Juicy Couture. And then my daughter picked this out when she was younger, and she thought this was what I wore. It was so cute. It's white diamonds, and now when I wear it, they say whenever that this is the smell that reminds them of me. So can you hear my washer? I can have the laundry room door open. I need to shut that. I swear I'm gonna go start dinner. Well, I do have the baked potatoes in the oven. It's easy, it's pork chops. Okay, this is in my dining room, and I'm not sure if I've shown it to you, but the farmhouse sign with little eggs. I always think this is so cute. I keep hitting the seat. Okay, so my potatoes are in the oven, I told you. And I am going to give my oven a really good deep cleaning after my party. So it's perfect for Thanksgiving and going into the holidays. So I start with a really clean oven. My grandmother taught me that. She said, always clean your oven right before Thanksgiving. Can you smell them? They smell delightful. I used the Pioneer Woman seasoning on these pork chops. Ta-da! And here are my pork chops, loaded baked potato and green beans and asparagus. I didn't make twice baked potato, I made loaded baked potato.